Hello guys, if you encounter the parameter is incorrect kind of message in Windows 10, here are some steps you can try to resolve this issue. I will show you 6 methods to fix this issue. I'm sure you will resolve your issue with this 6 method. So let's jump right in. First, you have to run chkdsk utility. To do that, first you need to do is go to search bar here and type for command prompt. This is the command prompt, and just right click on it and run as administrator. Tap on yes. Then you have to type this message chkdsk space, and then you have to give the name of the drive you need to check. If you need to check C drive, you have to give C double dot space /f space /r. Then what you have to do is you have to just hit the enter. Then it will be scan and fix any errors in that drive. If you have a problem with D drive, what you have to do is just delete C and enter the D. This is method number 1. If this one is not worked, you have to go to second method, that is run the system file checker. To run that, you have to again open command prompt as run administrator. Then after, what you have to type is sfc space /scan now, and again you need to hit enter. This will scan the corrupted system files and prepare those files. So this is method number 2. And third method is you have to scan for malware. The malware also reason for this kind of issue. To do that, again go to search bar, type for security, then you will find Windows security option. Just tap on it. Then you need to go to first option, virus and threat protection, and there is option called quick scan. Tap on it. Then it will be take some time, around 5 to 10 minutes, and it will be completely scan your computer and find the malwares. If it find malwares, it will be remove those malwares. So that is method number 3. And method number 4 is you have to update the disk drives. To update that, go to start menu, just right click on it and go to device manager here, just tap on it, and then you can see disk drives option here, just tap on it. You can see I have 2 hard drives installed here. What you have to do is just right click on it and update driver and tap the search automatically for drivers. If you see this kind of message appear, the best drivers for your device are already installed. Just close it and right click again on it, go to update driver, choose the second one, and again choose the second one. From here you have to choose the drive you go to install, and then just tap on next. Then it will be again reinstall your drives. Do the same thing for both drives, and if you have multiple drives, do the same thing for those things. Yeah, that is step number 4. And step number 5 is hardware problem. Ensure all the cables connecting your drivers are secure. Try using different cable or port to rule out hardware issues. So that kind of cable problems also affect to this kind of issue. So if all the 5 methods are not work, what you have to do is you have to format the drive. If the above steps don't work and drive is still inaccessible, you may need to format it. Note that this will erase all data on your drive, so make sure to back up any important file first. To format the drive, go to this PC here, and if you think you need to format the D drive, you can see it is not empty, so you have to back up all the files to another drive, or no, not another drive, another external drive like USB, or you can use Google Drive kind of option also available. Then after, you have to do is, and this is not a hard drive, this is a virtual separated partitions. So format the drive, you need to just right click on it, there is option called format, just tap on it, and it will be asked choose the file system, and if you need to quick format, just tick on this. If you no need to quick format, just untick on it. Then after, you have to tap on start. If you select it as quick format, it will be take around 5 to 10 minutes, and if you not select it as quick format, it will take long time. Okay, this is the 6th method I have to tell you to fix that kind of issue. I hope you will find the error and fix this issue with this 6th method. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please give a subscribe and like in the video. Thank you very much.